Antarctica, the most remote and least understood continent on our planet, has slowly been revealing its secrets since its discovery over 2 centuries ago. Initially thought to be a barren land of ice and snow, Antarctica has proven otherwise. Today, we will explore some of the most shocking discoveries made in the land of ice, from ancient structures that defy historical understanding to life forms in the coldest and darkest regions of Antarctica. Contrary to the belief that Antarctica is a desolate landscape, scientists began searching for life forms hidden within the cracks of the ice sheet. There are 15 active volcanoes in Antarctica, and the heat released by these massive volcanoes is known to create large cave systems within the continent. Scientists concluded that life could potentially exist in these relatively warm chambers. Research led to the discovery of a previously unknown cave entrance, which seemed to lead to massive underground cavities that could harbor unknown species. This discovery is one of the coolest yet most terrifying findings in Antarctica. Could this cave be a portal to another world? We might be approaching civilizations that have remained undiscovered until now. In one of the most remote and untouched regions of Antarctica, a Google Earth satellite detected a peculiar concentric circular structure that left the world in awe. Theories about ancient civilizations inhabiting Antarctica have long been a topic of discussion. Could this structure be the remnants of an ancient complex used by early humans? Scientists are still debating the origins of this unusual formation, which measures over 120 meters in length. More detailed images have yet to be obtained, but researchers plan to explore the area soon to uncover who or what might be behind this bizarre formation. Mount Erebus, located in one of the most isolated corners of Antarctica, is an active volcano. If we didn't have evidence, the things happening here would sound like a fairy tale. Each eruption of Mount Erebus spews millions of elemental gold particles, amounting to a few ounces of gold in total. Occasionally, molten gold flows down the volcano, making it one of the strangest geological events we've ever encountered. Besides gold, the volcano also ejects crystals measuring 15 to 40 centimeters, now covering every corner of the summit. Known as Erebus crystals, these volcanic creations are truly extraordinary. Scientists in Antarctica discovered DNA dating back 1,000,000 years, extracted from the seabed of the Scotia Sea in the northern part of the continent. Known as Seta DNA, these findings come from organic matter pieces within the sediment. According to Linda Arndt from the University of Tasmania, this is the oldest marine DNA ever confirmed. Before this, ancient Seta DNA samples dated back to 400,000 to 650,000 years. This DNA discovery could play a significant role in shedding light on Antarctica's history. The analysis revealed that the Scotia Sea, like other Antarctic waters, was much warmer 14,500 years ago, leading to a population explosion in marine life, which likely perished when the ocean cooled again. Cracks in the Brundage Shelf in Antarctica have been attracting scientists' attention for a while. The expansion of these cracks led to the complete separation of a massive iceberg from the ice shelf. This iceberg was larger than the entire city of New York and was the first major piece to break off from the Brundage Shelf since the early 1970s. Scientists indicated that this was part of a natural 10,000 to 15,000 year ice shelf cracking cycle, unrelated to climate change. Researchers had been preparing for an ice piece to break off for decades, but no one expected it to be this large. One of the most spine-chilling stories from Antarctica involves a group of Russian scientists working at Vostok Station. They claim to have drilled through thick ice to reach the freshwater lake below, only to regret their discovery. They encountered a bloodthirsty, 14-tentacled giant squid capable of releasing a paralyzing toxin, reportedly killing several researchers. Survivors suggested that the squid was intelligent and could independently control its tentacles even after being severed. The incident's location has remained unvisited since, and many doubt the existence of organism for 6B, making it one of Antarctica's most terrifying tales. The discovery of life forms beneath Antarctica's frozen ice sheets challenges our belief that life cannot exist in the world's coldest and darkest regions. Scientists discovered a community of living creatures on a boulder while drilling through the 3,000-meter-thick Filtneron ice shelf. They found 16 sponges and 22 animals believed to be barnacles, proving that sunlight isn't always necessary for life to form. These sponges, thought to be about 10,000 years old, survived in 2 degrees Celsius water, showcasing the resilience of life in extreme conditions. UFO enthusiasts have sparked rumors about a frozen UFO spotted in Antarctica. Scott Waring, a UFO hunter, claimed to have seen a frozen flying saucer while examining Google Maps. The object, embedded in the ice, had a triangular shape with a central bump, distinct from the surrounding ice. Despite no official confirmation from scientists or government officials, conspiracy theorists believe this is definitive proof of extraterrestrial visitors on our planet. In 2016, a group of researchers embarked on a challenging expedition to uncover clues about the last dinosaurs on the Antarctic Peninsula. They discovered skeletons of massive sea lizards, early birds, and, of course, dinosaur bones, estimated to be at least 71 million years old. The excavation took place on James Ross Island, one of the few areas that lose snow and ice covered during the Antarctic summer, sparking curiosity about what else might be hidden beneath Antarctica's ice. NASA launched a mission to examine the underside of Antarctica's ice sheets, expecting to find a few microbes at best. Instead, a small, bright orange and pink shrimp-like creature swam into view, stunning the scientists. This creature, a distant relative of shrimp, was found 180 meters below the ice, thriving in sub-freezing water. The discovery suggested that similar life forms might exist on other frozen planets and moons in our solar system, sparking further research into the possibilities of extraterrestrial life. Scientists have been drilling for ice core samples in Antarctica for a long time. These samples, some dating back 800,000 years, help us understand the planet's historical conditions. After the drilling, scientists started throwing ice chunks into the hole, producing remarkable results. The sounds created by the ice hitting the sides and bottom of the hole resembled laser guns or ricocheting bullets, a phenomenon caused by the Doppler effect, which describes how sound waves travel within the hole. A haunting tale from Antarctica involves the discovery of a female skull in 1985, believed to belong to a Chilean woman who died around 1820. The skull, found on the coast of southern Antarctica, remains the oldest human remains discovered on the continent. Antarctica's discoveries continue to captivate us, offering glimpses into our planet's past and potential future. From ancient civilizations to hidden life forms, these findings challenge our understanding of life and history. As scientists continue to explore this vast, icy continent, who knows what other secrets might be waiting to be uncovered? Stay tuned for more fascinating revelations from the land of ice.